Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this chakra bracelet. This is a 7 chakra stone bracelet that I made. Chakra bracelets help to rebalance and harmonize the energy in your body. Each of the 7 chakra stones have their own unique healing properties. This is a tradition that comes from India. I'm not an expert in gemstones or crystals, but I do like them very much. So I'm going to share with you what each of these stones represent. For this 7 chakra stone bracelet, I'm using a red agate bead for the root chakra. It's supposed to protect. This resin amber provides balance and it's for the sacral chakra. For the solar plex chakra, I'm using this tiger eye bead that offers strength. This green emperor stone, it's for the heart chakra and it provides balance and love and joy. For the throat chakra, I'm using this turquoise bead that's supposed to heal and it's the ability to communicate. This Lapis Lazuli is the third eye chakra. It provides clarity, awareness, and the last one is the crown chakra. I'm using this Amethyst bead. It offers calmness. Chakra bracelets are considered healing bracelets with the use of these 7 natural stones. So let me show you the materials that I used to make this bracelet in case you want to make it as well. Okay, let me show you the materials that I'm going to be using to make this chakra bracelet. First off, I'm using these 8mm lava stone beads. They're great for adding essential oils to each bead. Next, I'm using 2 spacer beads, silver beads about 5mm each. I'm also using, of course, the 7 different gemstones. First off, I'm using a red agate bead. They're all 8mm. I'm also using a resin amber bead. Next, a tiger eye bead. This one is a green emperor stone bead. Next, a turquoise bead. This one is a Lapis Lazuli bead. And of course, the Amethyst bead. If I pronounce anything wrong, please excuse me. I'm also using this hypo cement glue that I always use for all the bracelets. And of course, you need your scissors. I'm also going to be using a wide-eyed needle to double strand my bracelet. And of course, you need your string. This is a string I like to use. This is a 0.5mm clear string, stretch string that I use for all of the bracelets that I make. All right, now that we're all set, we can begin the bracelet. I like to use this board to display the beads in order. So first I'm going to be putting down the root chakra bead. I'm going to put it on the 1, followed by the sacral chakra that I'm going to be using. Then is the solar plex bead. Then we're using the heart chakra bead, followed by the throat chakra bead. Then is the third eye chakra bead. And lastly, our crown bead. So once I have it in order how it's supposed to look, I'm adding the spacer beads to the end of each bead, followed by the lava stone beads. I'm making a 7-inch bracelet, so just going to display it, make sure it's the right length that I want it to be. Now that the beads are displayed in order how I want them to look, I'm ready to put the string through each bead. I don't like to cut off the string yet until I double strand it. I'm using the wide-eyed needle for that to be able to put each bead in through without any difficulty, especially when I double strand it. And I'll show you how I do it. now I'm going to double strand the bracelet, going in again. This is a process I like to do because I feel like the bracelet is more secure this way. Plus I only use the 0.5 millimeter size string. It's just for preference. This is the size that I like to use since it goes in through any size bead. So that's what I'm going to do now. And now I'm ready to cut the string off since I know exactly the size of the string that I'm going to be needing. I use this clip still for the end of the string so that the beads don't come off. Just makes it easier this way. Okay, now that I'm done with the beads, I'm going to just pull in the string closer to make the beads get closer to each other. So just keep pulling till the beads connect. So what I like to do first is to make 2 turns or 2 twists before I make the first knot. So like this, 2 turns, and then I go in with the first knot, and then I do another knot. These are 8 millimeter beads that have about 1 millimeter in size hole, so I'm able to double knot it and be able to hide the knot inside the bead as well. So I'm going to glue the knot to secure my bracelet even more. Now I'm just going to cut the extra string off and hide the knot inside the bead, and we're all done. Once the glue is dry and the knot is hidden inside the bead, you're all done with the bracelet. This was the 7 chakra stone bracelet with healing properties, 7 natural stones used for this bracelet, 8 millimeters in size for all. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be reading all. Thank you for watching. Bye.